Imagine walking into a store, the possibility of a winning lottery ticket right there waiting. Some call it luck, others call it chance, but what if there's something more to it? What if you could stack the odds just a little in your favor with a few simple words? Words that, when spoken with the right intention, could draw abundance toward you. It sounds intriguing, right? Today we're exploring the incredible power of words and intentions and how they can shape your energy before you buy that next ticket. In this video, we'll reveal a powerful phrase, something so simple yet so often overlooked, that can align your energy with the universe's flow of abundance. By the end, you'll know exactly what to say before you pick your numbers, adding an edge to your chances in ways you may never have considered before. This isn't just about speaking words, it's about channeling your focus and beliefs into a winning mindset. You'll hear stories and insights from people who've practiced similar methods and have seen remarkable results. We'll dive into the science of intention, explore why words hold power, and share practical tips on how you can make the most out of every lottery purchase. If you've ever wondered whether there's a secret to winning beyond luck, stay with us until the end to uncover this hidden approach. We promise this could change the way you play the game forever. Welcome to your channel name, where we dive into life's mysteries and share secrets for a more empowered life. If you're intrigued, hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey of discovery. Now, let's dive in. Words are more than just sounds, they carry energy and intention. When we speak, we're not just forming sentences, we're setting a tone, creating an energy that extends beyond what we might realize. Think about it, the words we use can shape our mindset, influence our emotions, and even affect the way we move through the world. Every word we speak holds a vibration, and that vibration can either attract or repel certain energies. This concept is nothing new. In fact, many spiritual and metaphysical practices are rooted in the power of intention. People have used words to manifest their desires, bring clarity to their goals, and even connect with deeper forces around them. Setting intentions with words can be a profound practice. It's a way of saying, "This is what I want, and I'm open to receiving it." Words, spoken with genuine intent, have a unique ability to shape our path forward, subtly directing us toward the experiences and outcomes we seek. Look around, and you'll notice that successful individuals across various fields, entrepreneurs, athletes, and artists, often incorporate affirmations and positive words into their routines. It's not uncommon to hear top business leaders talk about the power of positive self-talk, using statements like "I am capable" or "I attract success" as daily reminders. These aren't just empty words, they're powerful affirmations that align their mindset with their goals, setting the stage for achievement. When we adopt this same mindset, our words become more than casual thoughts or phrases, they become signals to the universe, reinforcing our intentions and helping us focus on what we want. It's a simple practice with profound effects, allowing us to shape our thoughts, boost our confidence, and ultimately align ourselves with a higher frequency of positivity and possibility. Before purchasing a lottery ticket, there's a simple phrase to say that many believe helps to align energy and intention: "I am open to abundance, and I attract good fortune effortlessly." Each word in this phrase carries its own significance, enhancing both focus and positivity as you prepare to take that chance. Starting with "I am open to abundance," we set the tone by acknowledging an openness to receiving. This isn't about demanding or expecting something specific, but rather creating a mental space where abundance feels welcome. Being open is key because it softens any rigid expectations and helps clear out doubts or limiting beliefs, making room for whatever positive outcomes may come. The next part, I attract good fortune effortlessly carries a dual purpose. First, it reinforces the belief that you can draw positive experiences toward yourself. I attract is a powerful affirmation, signaling confidence and a mindset rooted in abundance rather than scarcity. When we say good fortune, we're not focusing only on winning or financial gain, but on attracting all forms of positivity that could align with our goals. Finally, the word effortlessly is a gentle reminder to release pressure and anxiety around the outcome. It's easy to get caught up in the desire to win, but when we approach it with ease and detachment, we allow for the best results to unfold naturally. Effortlessly emphasizes that good things can come without strain or force, adding a layer of calm to your energy. Altogether, these words create a mindset shift, inviting abundance in an easy, welcoming way. By repeating this phrase, you're setting an intention rooted in positivity, openness, and flow qualities that many believe can open pathways to unexpected luck and blessings. The power behind these words lies in their ability to direct the mind toward abundance, replacing any underlying fear or doubt with a sense of calm confidence. When we say phrases like "I am open to abundance" and "I attract good fortune effortlessly," we're not casting spells, rather, we're steering our thoughts away from scarcity and shifting our focus toward positivity and possibility. This change in focus helps to clear away negative emotions that can cloud our mindset, like the fear of losing or the pressure to win. Repeating these words also has a grounding effect, calming any nerves that may surface around the lottery. Many people find that the excitement or anxiety of buying a ticket can create a lot of internal tension. Saying these words before purchasing helps bring in a steadying presence, reminding us that the experience is meant to be one of openness and ease rather than stress. When our minds are clear and calm, we tend to make choices that feel more aligned with positivity and can better enjoy the experience, no matter the outcome. While these words aren't a guarantee for winning, they do serve a real purpose, aligning our energy toward favorable outcomes. This alignment isn't magic, but it encourages us to adopt a winning mindset, a belief in good possibilities, and a willingness to receive. In doing so, we cultivate a hopeful attitude that's prepared to welcome abundance in whatever form it may arrive. By focusing on the good rather than fearing the loss, we're setting ourselves up to receive blessings more openly, wherever they may come from. Alongside saying the right words, there are other small yet powerful practices that can boost the positive energy you bring to any experience, including buying a lottery ticket. One such practice is visualization, taking a few moments to picture yourself already surrounded by abundance, feeling the happiness and security that come with it. By visualizing success, you're essentially rehearsing a positive outcome in your mind, which can make the experience feel more attainable and less like a distant dream. Another impactful habit is cultivating gratitude. When we're thankful for what we already have, we naturally shift our focus toward abundance. This doesn't mean settling for less, rather. It's about appreciating the good that's already present in our lives, which opens the door for more to come. Even a simple moment spent in gratitude can elevate your mood, making you more receptive to positive outcomes and reducing any anxiety around needing a win. And while visualizing and expressing gratitude, remember the power of belief and self-confidence. Trust that you're deserving of good fortune and capable of achieving it. When you approach life with self-assurance, you're more likely to make decisions and take actions that align with success. Confidence has a way of attracting favorable outcomes, as it aligns your energy with trust rather than fear. These practices, taken together, create a mindset rooted in positivity, trust, and an openness to receive. They reinforce that good things can come our way naturally, allowing us to approach each moment with a calm and confident outlook that's ready to welcome abundance. In the end, The words we choose and the intentions we set can have a remarkable impact on how we approach life's opportunities. By speaking these powerful words before buying a lottery ticket, we're not only inviting abundance but also shifting our mindset toward positivity and possibility. Setting intentions with calm and confidence can transform the entire experience, allowing us to feel more open and aligned with whatever blessings may come. So, why not give it a try? Practice this approach and notice how it changes your outlook and energy. You may be surprised at how powerful these small actions can be. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on attracting positivity and abundance into your life. Thank you for watching, and here's to welcoming good fortune ahead.